For more on the risks and benefits of online medicine around the world and how it might shape the future of healthcare, we're joined by Dr. Shenglan Tang. He's a professor of medicine and global health at Duke Global Health Institute. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Doctor, how do you see the world of online medicine evolving globally?
First, I'll let you know the internet medicine market has rapidly increased in many developed countries and also emerging countries over the past decade. US, China, Japan, among others, have faster growth in online pharmacies, while European countries such as Australia, Italy have still banned such a practice. UK, France, Ireland have experienced a very slow development with limited types of drug being allowed to sell on the internet. As you just mentioned, the China Daily has also reported the quick surge of volume of the medicines sold by the internet farmers last years. So why some countries have been increased this internet medicine, while others are still very conservative. The reason is, I think, online pharmacies are very popular because of this convenience, and people can order without leaving their home and often open 24 hours. Secondly, can be cheaper. Customers can shop around, find best deals. For example, the American people tend to oversee online pharmacies for cheaper products. They often import drugs from Canada, for example.
Dr. Tang, you mentioned the convenience and that it is cheaper. And as we saw in the piece earlier, prescription drugs currently cannot be sold online in China. Do you see that changing? And what regulations will be needed to ensure safety if and when that happens?
You mentioned, the Chinese government has approved over 300 recognized outlets in the internet. This is good, measures, steps taken by the Chinese government to try to regulate the practice of online pharmacies. I think Chinese government could learn from a practice of the United States. United States has so-called verified internet pharmacy practice site, VIPPS. Starting from 1999, customers should look for VIPPS seal for proof in online pharmacies. But I got to say, by 2014, US only approved 63 online pharmacies, and China have already got over 300. So in terms of regulations and implementations, I think probably Chinese government pay more attention on that.
How is the international community cooperating to help regulate online medicine, maybe to prevent people in one country from buying it in another where it is available?
I don't think we have developed coherent actions at the international levels. Among the European commissions, there are a number of the coordinations. But still, as I said, the France, Britain, and Ireland have, developed this market much faster than Italy's and Australia's. But I don't think we have lots of coordination, collaborations between the developed countries, emerging market.
All right, Dr. Shenglan Tang, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate your insight.